The QX60 is built for our busy lives out there, but the feeling I get from driving it takes me here. I can spoil my family, myself, and still get our needs met. When you first get in, you notice a sense of calm. This horizontal dash floats like a piece of art, without the busyness of knobs and buttons. The sleek black screens come to life when you start the QX60. The soft leather-appointed seats have detailed quilting that looks like ripples on a pond and carries all the way up to the dash. The air vents seem to disappear into the design. But the interior design is only half the story. The real magic is outside. At first glance, you'll think SUV, but look deeper and there's an energy that elevates the QX60. You can feel the power up front. This is where the energy overflows. A wide stance, brilliant headlights, large front grille, all the way down to the intricately folded inner mesh grille. And behind that grille is Infiniti's powerful V6 engine paired with an all-new 9-speed transmission. Here on the side, the energy becomes pleasing and calm. The lines are straight, fluid. The glass wraps around so it looks like the roof is floating. The taillights have this signature style like the keys of a piano, clean and tailored. Day and night. One side of me loves the stylish look of the QX60. The other side loves technology and how much it makes being a mom that much easier. Real world, please. You're driving. Outside, it's bumper to bumper. Inside, your 4-year-old wants you to listen to her read. Sound familiar? The QX60 has got you covered. It can ease your burden in traffic, so you can tune into the drive and the story. Just press a single button and ProPilot Assist with NaviLink can help keep you on track. Sensors in front here monitor the cars ahead over there. So the QX60 slows down when they slow down and speeds up when they speed up. It can even help keep you centered in your lane. How about this? You're driving, and before you know it, your off-ramp appears. Using highway mapping, QX60 knows what's coming and can slow you down for the exit. Here's a step forward, predictive forward collision warning. It can see 2 cars ahead and warn you of a possible collision. This Infiniti innovation can politely stop your QX60 from backing into a large stationary object. And if you're tempted to change lanes but can't see your blind spot, like the one back there, you'll be grateful for blind spot intervention. Why is this so important? This is why.
What's this?
The first luxury SUV built for our family. Even getting in is elegant with the right amount of space. Three rows. With a second row seat, you can slide forward, even with a child seat in place. And one hand. Did I forget anything? Peace and quiet. That's always a welcome luxury. You know what else is a luxury? Space. Like having a space to keep a wet and sandy bathing suit away from everything else. And a third row seat that does this. Take a look at this. When you're loaded up with kids and cargo, it may be hard to see out the back. This rearview mirror is so smart, it can switch from mirror to monitor to show you what's behind your QX60. So it's a mirror and monitor. Mirror, monitor. You get the picture. Get in, you won't believe this. Touch this button and you have heat. Touch this and the air is wicked away through perforations in the seat to cool you. And the best part? Massaging front seats.
I'm never leaving.
Makes me want to go on a long road trip. Remember the last time we went to the mountains? Play road trip playlist. I wouldn't trade my family chaos for anything. The excitement, the never knowing what could happen next. For some of us, it's a beautiful thing. The 2022 Infiniti QX60.